Hi, Zaya. Hi, Zaya. Hi, little guy. Here, let's show everybody how you can sit up. Oh, here, can you sit him up, Libby? He's growling. Look how big I am. Look how big I am. Look. Look how big I am. Hi, Zia. Come on. Oh, keep going. There you go. Look at that. You got yourself out of it, buddy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. You're so cute. There's Diego going nuts back there.